Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the SSH keygen command that's used to create a set of public-private keys that you can use in place of passwords to either log into a system or run commands remotely. The command is used like this: SSH keygen, T for type, and that will specify the type of encryption. And we'll use the default location. I will enter no passphrase because I want to be able to run commands without entering the password. Once the files are created, as they just were, I can take the public key, which is the .pub file, and copy it to a remote account. The user's name is remote. Add another system, and that's FruitFly. Put it in that user's home directory. And of course, I have to enter a password to get it over there. Now, if I go to the other account, I'll see the file is right there. I'm going to take that file and add it to the end of my authorized keys file. Then I'm going to go here and make sure that this authorized key file has this permission so that it's going to work. Then I'm going to come back over here and test out the setup by issuing the command to remote at FruitFly account, and I'll ask it to show the host name. And it comes back without asking for a password, so that worked. Well, that's your Linux tip for using SSH keygen. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.